Alright, hey guys, I am CJ Shrano. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is first time. Hindi siya technically first time kay nakasuway naman ko aning buhat, pero first time na ko mo buhat with ani sa lain nga video. Lagi basta make sense na siya later. Kuan, I think ako ang series karon nga panahon kay mga first times. So karon kung buhaton, first time na ko mo react ko og video. Music video ana. So I've never done this before, pero I'm a fan of music yun. So if kailan mo na ako, I always listen to music, pero specific sa country music, pero karon lahi nga genre ako ang i-react karon. Kaya trending man siya karon, so hopefully daghan ng views ako. So alright, but before that, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love. Alright, so the video that we're reacting today is the music video from Justin Bieber and Ariana Grande, silang new song, Stuck With You. So I've known Justin Bieber sa una tong bata pa siya kato yung mga kanta kay mga baby. Pero karon recently wala na kay ko nag-follow sa yang music kay tungod lagi kay na-shift ako ang favorites sa country nga genre. Yeah. Si Ariana Grande as well kay kuan ay kabaw ko sa mga music pod nga katong kuan mga kanta-kanta pa, pero actually fan ko sa iyahang voice, nindot yun ang voice ko niya. So let's go check this out sa iyahang new music. Sugay.
One strike and you're out, baby. Don't care if I sound crazy, but you never let me down. No, that's why when the sun's up, I'm staying, still laying in your bed singing. Ooh, 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 ooh. Got all this time on my head.
Wait, sa namin sa balay ibang buhat ng ilang video. Nice. Murag kuan gyud sa kanang sana kanang salute ko sa gipang buhat sa entertainment industry nga ilagay pong ipa-work ang ilahang kuan, ilahang music video sa ilang mga shows paski na sa balay ra. Kini.
Might as well cancel our plans. I could stay here for a lifetime. So lock the door and throw out the key. Can't fight this no more. It's just you and me, and there's nothing I can do.
Sa dog.
I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. So go ahead and drive me insane, baby, run your mouth. I still wouldn't change being stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you, baby.
Sana all stuck with you sa ilang love life. Pero wala pa ko wala dahil. Pada yun, Justin Bieber na.
No, I'ma get to know you better. Kinda hope we're here forever.
I'm gonna wife Justin Bieber. Bieber.
If you told me that the world's ending, ain't no other way that I can spend it. Got all this time in my hands. Might as well cancel our plans.
So far, nalinga ako sa music video. So far, nalinga ako sa kanta. Pero wala ako kasabot sa lyrics. Sorry kayo. Basta, good. Basta, first time yun akong madunggan ang sa kanta, dili ko makapay attention sa lahang lyrics. So, probably mga second or third nga paminaw, hindi ako maka-decipher sa lyrics. Pero so far, the melody is good. Murag ka na vocal coach ba? Murag ka na music ka na kuwan. So far, nice ang kanayahang tunog. Minute yung kuwan. Nutang vibe
I can stay here forever. So lock the door and throw out the key. Can't fight.
Wait, asa man is Justin Bieber nga kuan? Abi ba kung stay at home, nang just gawas. Kasi nilahan yung backyard no. Social.
It's just you and me, and there's nothing nothing I can do. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. So go ahead and drive me insane. Baby, run your mouth. I still want
It's a hero.
being stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you.
Ilaga yung backyard eh. Feel ako ilan ang balay na under sa kilid.
Baby,
Sana all mayaman.
take all my time.
Go on, make me lose my mind.
We got all that we need here tonight. The door.
And throw out the key, can't fight this no
Can't fight this no
more.
more.
It's just you and me, and there's nothing I'd
rather do.
I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. Go ahead and drive me insane, baby. Run your mouth. I still wouldn't change.
Loving you, hating you, wanting you.
I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you.
Ay, sabi sa balik ako yung replay dito tigito.
Drive me
mantap.
insane, baby. Run your mouth. I still wouldn't change.
Loving you, hating you, wanting you.
I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with
Wow. Oo, bitaw naman din manang graduate ito sa kawanis palay. Noun, Justin Bieber. Di lagi pakita lagi naong sa uyab ni Ariana Grande, no? Ano yan? Showbiz siya. Wow. Nice, nice, nice. So, kuan. Oh, nandun siya ka ng fundraiser di ay. So if you want to donate and help sa first responders children, you can click the donate here nga button sa YouTube, and then you can donate and help put. So nice kay siya. Ganahan ko siyang vibe, ganahan ko sa kanang kuan message sa song, or siya kanang love song siya nga murag imuhang gina-appreciate kung sina sa imuha karon. Samot na nga nasa pandemic, no, nga medyo dita freely makagawas-gawas gyud sa mga nang English, like stuck with you inside the home, and like kuan. Ganahan ko sa music video kay na ay mga other people nga dili na silang Ariana o si Justin nagyahang ilahang mga love life na kita po na mga love life sa kuan sa ilahang sa mga other people, mga normal people nga dili po sabot nga love life nga like people to people. So naasay ka ng ilang pets, ilang dogs, so ilang napoy ug na-capture po ka ng mga special moments like kuan, like itong kato na graduation, naasay nagkuan so napoy na gown, nag-gown do siya, birthday siguro to niya or nag-debut siguro to, or kasal siguro, so not sure. So I don't know kung giunsa nila pag shoot ato nga video, pagkamot ato nga video, pero ato ganahan niya best part siguro katong ganahan ko atong part nga ning break ang band niya, walay music, ay walay kanta, then kalitra og kanang high notes. So I'm a sucker for high notes, so taas na gali kayo ang kanang kuan o ana ko dayon, hands up na din ko dayon, na amazing niya ang vibe niya kay makasway ko, di ba? Nice. Okay, so guys, have you heard of this song? If not, please you can check it out, the link description below, or you can check this video out and see if you have the same reactions as I did. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please comment down in the section below if you'd like to see me more reacting to other music videos. Kay wala gali din sa mundang na kuan din palpak ko sa diga video. Right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Sure, peace and love.